Welcome to Back Into Fishing. It's another quite cool, breezy day here at the Soccerplex. Well, let's see if we can't catch some fish. Okay, let's get a quick check of the water temperature here. 61 degrees on the nose. I can't remember what it was when I was here 5 days ago, but can't change conditions. Wind's blowing in the opposite direction as usual, and it's really howling right now. I'm going to start off with a spinnerbait or an inline spinner. I got a wake bait tied on that, and I'll be using my usual wacky rig. There might be something right here by shore. Ha. 5-incher, but that's something. That might be a bite. Hard to tell in this wind. That one might be a half-inch bigger than the other one. Yeah, I think it's time to move on. Not doing much here. Well, having moved on, not that far, only about 40 yards from the dock. That's getting better. It's about a 9-inch fish. Oh, coming on this stupid fish. Try to swim back on shore on this 3-inch Bass Pro Shop Stik-O. I've not had a bite on another bait. A little bit better than what I've been getting. It's not pulling any drag. It's not real big. Feisty. Okay, yeah, about a 13-incher. Probably a little over a pound, something like that. Not a good estimate, or I can't give a good estimate on a fish. That's why I bring a scale. Yeah, another 7 to 8-inch fish. Number 5, I think. Go get bigger. Well, I just shook a fish off. 4 inches here right in front of me. As I'm working my way up the lake here, I'm noticing that the wind has blown a lot of the vegetation up here into this area, and it almost looks like a carpet over there. That's one of the areas that I usually hit with a good number of casts. Doesn't look like I'll be able to fish it today, but directly across over that way, it's another area where I've caught a number of fish over the last couple of years, and that area looks open now. I'll be stopping there in 2 more stops. Now, when I was here last week, I made a cast out here about like this, and by the time I could tighten my line up, walk a few steps, there was a fish over 2 pounds on it. So ends another day out on the water, and what a day it was. That wind just howled all day. About an hour and a half ago, the wind changed directions. Sun came out, and the bite shut down. I did not get another bite. The whole rest of the time I was here, decided to call it quits. So, until the next video, thanks for watching. We'll see you then.